Ni hao. And today's lecture is play guitar on the right. Just do the opposite of play guitar on the left, but on the right. And same name is 手挥琵琶, but right is 右, 左 is left. 右手挥琵琶. So same thing as that's the pose. See, and the weight's on my back, left back, and the one is just heel down, hands in front of me. So let's show the move. We're ending up push to the right corner. As you see, it's real simple, just one move, step back, and then face to the front. So these movements back to the front. When you push, that's to that corner. And now these movements bring you back to center, to your front. And same thing, the hands. We're going to do the hands, show the hands. Same thing, the right hand in front of you and no higher than your eyes, just chest forward in front, your body. And the left hand just next to your elbow. The same thing to the left, the right hand to the elbow, and now the left hand to the elbow, supporting the elbow. That's the purpose. And this time, instead of dropping the hands, then pick it up, and you just pull the left hand back and pick up the right hand, and two hands close together. So from here, pull the left hand, pick up the right hand, and then let the palm face in, and ending up the pose. One right hand forward and left hand next to the elbow. Then two hands inward. The force is inward and down. So the footwork is also a little bit than the left side too. And when you hear footwork, we stop at the corner push. Or you need to step back and pick up the right foot, move forward. So when you step back, about the 45 degrees to the left, because you're going to move your foot forward. That's the standard stand. The back foot 45 to 60 degrees, the front foot is pointed forward. So you just aware that when you step back, when put the heel down about 45 angle to that corner, and then pick up the right foot, move in, let the heel down. So when you heel down and the weight, put it on your back foot, and at least 70% and 30% on the front. So keep your back foot, the knee bend. Step back and move in. Step back and move in. Okay? When you move in again, try not to step on the center line, one side and then the other. Okay, let's put the hand and foot work together. See, when you're here, step back, that's the time you pick up the right hand, the right arm and right elbow. From here, step back, still picking up. After you about the halfway up, and pick up the right foot and move over and shuttle down. So that's the pose. So you try not to lean backwards or lean forward. Keep your body straight and most weight on the back foot. We call that force step and force stand, because the weight's on the back instead on the front. So let me turn around and practice together. Ending up, push to the corner. Step back and play guitar. So, this is the new movement, play guitar. This is also called 手挥琵琶 in Chinese. Thank you very much. 谢谢。